This is the double-doored cabinet I built. It's roughly the same dimensions as a typical kitchen cabinet, so it's about 1 foot deep. It is 2 feet wide, which is, again, pretty typical for a kitchen cabinet. Made of 3/4 inch plywood, also pretty typical. The doors are made out of poplar with pocket screws holding them together. And then the back panel is, of course, tempered hardboard, perforated hardboard, pegboard. Okay, so you can hang tools on it. And the neat part is the hinge. That hinge I bought at Rockler, and it basically is a doubled door hinge set. So you have one door nested inside the other. All right, and then this door can open. Again, same construction. You can see the pocket holes are filled at the top with wood putty. All right, because this is not a fancy pants cabinet. It's just shop stuff. You can see the shelves in the back. So you have 2 double doors plus shelves. The shelves are adjustable with shelf pegs. And I did that using my handy dandy drill press with a fence and a homemade jig to drill those holes. So I can basically now make cabinets, which is pretty cool. And now I got to fill it.